Yo, y'all are mean, all right? Yo. I ain't gonna laugh. Lamelo Ball, as you guys did. Oh, first off, hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Like. I'm Guns the Great. Today, you're gonna be watching Lamelo Ball again because he is definitely the man of the hour, the man of the week, the man of the day. Besides Donald Glover, Childish Gambino, whatever's going down on there. If you guys want to see me do something on that,
look what I'm whipping up.
Please let me know in the comment section. But you guys see this, I want to know if you guys like Lamelo's haircut or if you don't like it or how you feel about it. I know he's not really showing it. Like, we've seen it in one video, like the last video I did show was someone actually filming him with waves, and I was like, no, there's no way this is real, but it turned out it is real. And I was actually watching Lamelo practice with the new JBA team, so that was really interesting to watch. He's still really good at basketball, like no one can really call him out on that. But besides all that, we're gonna look at some of the comments, what people are talking about on Lamelo's hair, see if they're good or if they're bad. And this video honestly is just for entertainment, and we're gonna see what people's responses are. Also, leave your response in the comment section below. Let's look at Instagram and see what people are saying about Lamelo. So I seen this on Ball Brothers Instagram. This isn't the official Instagram, but this is a post of Lamelo. You guys can see him up there. We can kind of zoom in on him right there. And obviously this isn't a great picture. It's not the best picture of him, but we're gonna look at the people's opinion on this. Oh gosh, right off the bat, we ain't gonna read that one. Let's see if anybody's getting his back. No one's getting him. No one's getting his back. Yo, quit. Don't roast Lamelo. Don't roast him. I can't read these ones. These are just rude, man. Dang, everyone's just getting on this man. Some people are just like so rude, and like on Instagram and on social media, is like they don't care. They have no filter. Oh, nope. Are any of the, like, come on, you gotta respect the Ball family. Come on, respect the Ball family. If any of the Balls are watching it, I respect you guys, all right? LeVar, Lamelo, Jello, Lonzo, I respect you guys, all right? And I'm not gonna talk smack on y'all like these people. All right, here's a decent comment that is like negative towards Lamelo, but they said, OMG, he looks so weird. And that's just an opinion, what someone thinks. Obviously, all these comments are just like, no one really likes his new do. And this is a bad picture. I'm gonna try to find a better picture for you guys to look at. Someone said, dang, Lamelo, peep Melo, laughing face. Melo looking like a thumb. But everyone likes Jello. Melo looks like E.T. No, he doesn't. Have you seen E.T.? E.T. compared to Melo, it don't look like him. People are so crazy on these comment section, man. Melo look like a potato. No, he doesn't look like a potato. Potatoes look different. Melo looks like a human. Potato looks like potato, all right? Everyone's just tagging their homies and saying, look at Melo. What's different? He just cut his hair. That's sad, like everyone is like, all Melo. Well, I'm not sure. But it's like he cuts his hair and then people are against him. That's crazy. I bet there's people that were huge fans and now people are probably like, man, I don't really care about him. It's like, man, it's just hair. Someone said LiAngelo looking primed to be a Laker. Many people have discussions about that. What has Melo turned into? I don't know. I would say he's progressing into a better man. I don't think cutting your hair is a big deal. Everyone's saying Jello, Jello, Jello. Someone said Jello got the cut. Hey, but what about Lamelo? Why don't we compliment his cut? All right. Oh my gosh. Someone said, Melo, show your hair. And it's like, he's not gonna show his hair with all this hate. That's sad, man, that's sad. It's a sad day. With all of that, we're gonna look at somebody's highlights right here. Lamelo's a beast at basketball regardless. And it's like, I hardly watch basketball, but from what I've seen, and he keeps growing, like now he's dunking and he's like, his jellies are even better than before. So if you have something to say about his hairstyle, that's a whole different ballpark of him playing basketball because they don't really relate. But let's actually move on for this. Let's look at the last post I made about Lamelo on my YouTube channel. And we're actually just gonna see what the comment section say on there, see if they're more light and not as bad. Because this video has 121,000 views. Great video turnout. I don't know why people are going crazy about this. See, that's a good comment. His vertical just went up 10 inches due to him cutting his hair. Yo, I really hope so. Lamelo Ball looks hilarious. Why does he look hilarious? I think people are just like, they're not used to it. That's the only thing. His waves aren't really good. He barely got his waves not too long ago. And then he also said he wanted his hairstyle, but not the mohawk. Someone said, I don't like waves, I prefer dreads. And waves are cool. Waves are really cool. If I could get waves, I would probably get them. I tried to get waves in high school, it didn't work, but that's a whole different other story. Oh gosh, this is the last one. Lamelo Ball looked like a person that sells fake Gucci in a cardboard box. Now that's just rude. Because first and foremost, they're very successful. I mean, they got money and we should be happy for them. We should really just be thankful for successful people because we can look at their success and be like, man, I can do that too. But what do you guys think about Lamelo's cut? Please, like, stay out of the negativity. Encourage this dude along his way because he's gotten a lot of negativity out of this. But other than that, comment down what you guys think. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.